Gathered here $300 survival kit from eBay. Been finding a lot of survival kits on eBay. Something new because Amazon already reviewed them all. So let's see. Nice. Yeah, generic axe. Kind of a like thick edge over here, so it's probably won't cut that well. Would have to sharpen it up much more. That's cool. Okay, slingshot, very unique. Okay, cooking set, survival food bars. This stuff is pretty disgusting, but it's alright. It tastes like cookies. No way. Really? A whole set of, what is this, some kind of knives? I don't know, that's pretty cool. What is this? I have no idea. Some kind of belt or something. Very unique. Okay, radio right here with wind up thing. Cool. What is this? Dental kit? Just a toothbrush. Oh, never mind. And a tiny whatever you call it, toothpaste. Emergency shelter, one of those tube tents. No way, soap. Looks like one of those tablets. Advil. Carabiners. Oh wow, look at that. Pellets for the slingshot. Another, what is it called? Lipstick, or I keep forgetting what the name of them. Chopstick, there you go. Paracord. Another like a personal water filter straw. Puncher. Looks like sunscreen lotion and couple other tablets. Matches lighter. What's in here? Ooh, pretty cool. Little knife. I like it. Like a dagger style knife. Does it even look in? Not really. But if you wanna take it off easy, you could, but it comes out easily anyways. Cool. Another food bar. Lantern. Headlamp. So quite a few stuff over here. Sleeping bag. Now go open it. First aid kit. Tiny first aid kit. Emergency sleeping bag. One of those plastic sleeping bags, just like a tube tent. Couple of napkins. Oh wow, check this out. Another stove, mini stove, but this one exploded on me. I have put to the test on this thing. It was a little bit damaged. Let's see if this one works. Okay, I see why the other one didn't work. It didn't have two holdings. So I will test this one more time. Hopefully it doesn't explode on me like last time. So I'll put that to the side to put it to the test. No way, mouse strap in a survival kit. That's kind of cool. Never seen that before. Wow, I just put this ones to the test. Survival kit inside of a survival kit. Much cheaper one. What, this like $24. Knives and things like that. That's cool. They are most popular survival kits on Amazon. If you search survival kits, this thing will pop up all over. That's cool. I have like 4 or 5 of them now. Survival guide manual. They're teaching you all this unique stuff. That's nice. Nice. Multi-tool shovel. Pretty cool. I have put to the test a lot of them. They're pretty okay. I like them. Okay, survival backpack with the water drinking kit over here. Cool. What is this? Go fishing. No way, this whole fishing kit over here with a fishing pole and a fishing rod. Like a little kit over here. Look at that. Bobber and everything. Okay, let's see what kind of fishing reel over here. There you go, with the line and everything. Wow, I never seen a fishing kit with a fishing rod in a survival kit. Usually those fishing kits are really tiny, they don't even give you a rod. That's pretty cool. That's why I like different survival kits. You learn something new. I've never seen fishing kit like that before. And another survival backpack, tactical backpack, whatever. And what is this? Oh, no way. Multi-tool fork and a spoon and a knife and a can bottle opener. $300. I like it. Let me know in comments below. I like it that it's different than all those Amazon survival kits. So on eBay, if you're tired of the same thing, if you bought all the survival kits on Amazon like me, you can go on eBay and find quite a few different ones, and they constantly make different kinds. I like it. This axe is definitely around $9. Nothing special, you'll have to sharpen it up so it's usable.